First things first, grab your bonnet protector and line it up. There is a notch in the middle of the bonnet protector. That's generally the center of it. So find the center point of the bonnet and line it up. Underneath the bonnet protector, we do have some slots. See where they are located with the rubber? You will have two clips that line up with those slots that need to be removed. Remove those clips, two there and two on the other side. Line up your anti-abrasive strips in line with those holes. So when we put the clips on them, we don't scratch the vehicle. Once you put the anti-abrasive strips on, grab your clips. Grab one that's got the letter O on it and one that's got the letter I on it. O is for on the outside, I is for on the inside, closer to the middle of the bonnet. So, as you can see, the clip is shaped kind of like the stone guard on the front of the bonnet. The square bit will go over the hole of the slot and it will wrap around like that. So next you get your clip, put that through the square hole and into the hole where the rubber was located. You'll also put the rubber over the top of that clip, lined up with the hole, and screw the screw in. So once you've put your center clips on, next thing is to put the end clips onto the bonnet protector. Now, it's an S shape. On one of the ends, you will see like a tooth that's sticking out. What we do is we put that on the ends of the bonnet guard. So the tooth part goes on top. Push that in until you hear a click. And you do the same with the other one. So the tooth on top, push down, hear the click, that's secure. So, and put the other two on the other end. The next step is to apply the bonnet guard to the clips that you've already put on. So the eyelets or the slots on the bottom of the bonnet guard should line up with the bolt, with the brackets that you've already put in there. Tighten it up with a screwdriver. Doesn't have to be too tight. Once you've done the same with all four center clips, next step is to align the end clips straight over the top, and they just slide in over the anti-abrasive tape and onto the bonnet, just like so. So that's how you install the bonnet protector on the NP300 with the updated front. Thanks for watching and have a great day.